Have you ever walked into a spray filled with plants and instantly feel calmer, happier, and more energized? It's no coincidence. Green living spaces are more than just aesthetically pleasing. They are a gateway to better health, improved focus, and an elevated lifestyle. But here are the exciting part. With a few thoughtful strategies, you can double the benefits of bringing greenery into your home. Whether you are in cozy apartment or sparkling house, creating a green haven doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's easier than you think, and the rewards are truly life-changing. In this guide, I will show you the best plants to start with, even you have never cared for a plant in your life. Creating ways to arrange greenery that maximize its impact. Simply steps to enhance your space using natural elements. So, ready to breathe a new life into your home and experience the magic of green living space? Let's get started. Why a green living space is a game changer? Adding greenery to your home is more than just a chain design choice. It's an investment in your well-being. Here is why it's worth the time and effort. Cleaner air, healthier you. Did you know that the certain houseplants can purify the air in your home? Plants like peace lily, snake plant, and pothos absorb harmful toxic like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide, like releasing fresh oxygen. This natural air purification can reduce allergies, prevent respiratory issues, and create a fresher, healthier indoor environment. Another thing is stress reduction at its best. It does scientifically proven the presence of greenery can significantly lower stress level. And the studies have shown that even looking at plants can help reduce anxiety and improve your focus. Imagine having a mini garden in your home that works as natural stress reliever every day. Another thing, boosted productivity and creativity. If you work or study from home, adding a touch of green to your spray might be the productivity hike you have been looking for. Plants have been shown to improve concentration and spark creativity. A small potted plant on your desk can make a big difference during long work hours. And another thing is an aesthetic appeal and connection to nature. Beyond the health benefits, greenery makes your home look and feel more inviting. It creates a connection to nature that so many of us crave, especially if we live in urban area. So, how to double the benefits of green living space? Now you know why greenery matters. Let's explore how you can maximize its impact in your home. First, choose plants that work for you. You know, not all plants are created equal, and that's okay. The key to choose plants that suit your lifestyles and space. Here are the few great options. Snake plants, perfect for beginners. This hardy plant thrives for needling, and it's also an excellent air purifier. Pothos, known for its lush, shading vines. Pothos is easy to grow and does well in low light conditions. Peace lily, a stunning plant with elegant white blooms. It not only looks great, but also removes toxins from the air. spider plant. With its unique arcing leaves, this plant is low maintenance and great for hanging baskets. If you are just starting, pick one or two easy to care for plants and build your connection gradually. And another thing is place your plants strategically. Where you put your plants can make all the difference. A well-placed plant can transform a dull corner into a vibrant focal point, or turn your workspace into a calm retreat. So maximize natural light, like position plants near window to help them thrive. South-facing windows are ideal for light-loving plants. Think vertical. You can use wall-mounted plants or vertical gardens to create a lush green wall without taking up floor space. You can add plants to unexpected space like bathroom, where they can benefit from extra humidity. So, why stop at plants? You can elevate your green living space by incorporating other natural elements like natural light, open curtain, or replace heavy drapes with seal ones to let in more sunlight, and so proper air circulation to keep plants healthy and maintain fresh air indoor. You can use organic materials, use wood, stone, or bamboo furniture and decor to complement your greenery and create cohesive look. You can care your plant like a pro, like taking care plant might seem intimidating, but simpler than you think. And here are a few essential tips. Overwatering is a common mistake, so always check the soil before watering. And if it's dry and inch below the surface, it's time to water. And feed your plants with appropriate fertilizer during the growth season, like in spring and summer. Remove yellow leaves and trim overgrown branches to keep plants healthy and look the best. What are for common pests like aphids or spider mite? And treat them promptly with natural remedies or plant safe place. And set reminder on your phone to water and care for your plants regularly. When you incorporate greenery thoughtfully, the impact goes beyond aesthetic. Here, what you can expect. It's the first, healthier, happier you. Living in a green space has a measurable benefits for your physical and mental health. You will breathe easier, sleep better, feel more relaxed. Like a more beautiful home, greenery elevates your home ambience, make it feel cozy, welcoming, and full of life. It's a conversation starter and feature that a guest will admire. A sense of purpose, like caring for plants, can be incredibly rewarding. Watching them grow and thrive gives you a sense of accomplishment and deeper connection to nature. Every plant you bring into your home contributes to a greenery environment. It's a small but meaningful step towards living more sustainability. Transforming your home into green heaven isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthier, happier, and more inspiring environment for yourself and your loved one. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ideas on how to elevate your lifestyle. Let's create space that nurture your mind, body, and soul, starting with a little more green. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.